What's up, guys? So as you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, this is something different than what I do here on this channel, but I was so excited that I wanted to share with my viewers because some of you guys may be thinking about getting an iPhone 15, and so I'm here to clear the air to show you how it is and what it looks like. But as we all know, there's nothing really too spectacular about these iPhones because they continue to get repetitive after a while. So to me, I personally feel like the only thing that changes is the camera. But in order for me to continue to keep making content, I had to upgrade storage. So I'm just like, if I'm going to upgrade storage, might as well upgrade my phone. So that is what I did. But before we jump into this video, I did just want to go ahead and introduce myself to my newbies out there. So my name is Ashley, and on my channel, I do a bunch of DIY crafting. I do a lot of DTF printing, hacks and things like that. I am an entrepreneur, so I do give business tips on my channel. I also talk about freight dispatching sometimes, and I give business tips and I show you guys how to grow your business. So as like I say on my channel all the time, my husband calls me the jack of all trades. Your girl be in a little bit of everything. And so without further ado, let's jump into this video. But I do need you guys to hit that like and subscribe button if you are new. And I just want to say thank you for my return viewers who continue to check out what I have going on every single week. So I do thank you guys for that. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos and what I show on my channel. So let's just jump right on in. So here we have the wonderful iPhone 15 Pro Max. I did get mine's, I believe, in like a natural, I believe it's like a natural gray, I want to say slate gray. No, it's the natural titanium. I'm sorry. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what all the hype is about. Okay, so I don't know when the last time you guys upgraded your phone, but as I can tell you, I continuously upgrade my phone. I stopped at the 13, but from far as I know, iPhone has stopped providing a lot of things when it comes to the iPhone, such as like the headphones and the box piece to the chargers. So normally when you open your phone, all you're getting is a cord, some stickers in the phone. Other accessories you have to purchase yourself. So let's look at this bad boy. Um, so people were telling me that this phone was light, but it does have some weight to it that I can honestly say, which I like. And I was disappointed because I thought this phone was going to be light when I heard it, but I'm glad that it's not because I am all for a hefty, durable phone, you know? So here are the cameras, as you can see. Like I said, the only thing that is coming in this box is the cord. It is a braided cord, so it's not the I don't know if you want to call that plastic or leather wire, whatever you want to call it. It's not that cord anymore. It's actually a braided cord. And as I also mentioned, the manual, stickers, the gist, and the box. It took me, I want to say it took me forever to get this phone because Verizon was pretty much like only taking pre-orders. So after I got done ordering my phone, I did not know that they were on pre-orders until the guy finalized the order and then told me, oh, your phone is going to take about 2 weeks to get to you. So it did take me almost like 2 weeks to get this phone. So I felt like I waited forever. But let's listen. Who doesn't like the sound of that? I'm not going to really go into depth with this phone just because this is just more like an unboxing. And if you know, you know. I really just wanted to show you guys what all comes in this box, how the phone is, and the weight and stuff, you know, just from like first point of view or whatever. And so it would take me a while to actually, you know, do some things with this phone. And who got time for that? Nobody has time for that all day. So this is going to be a brief video. Now it does look like the top part of the phone has changed from what I can see. It's no longer like that boxy shaped looking one. I can actually show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to compare the sizing because this is the 15 Pro Max and this is just the 12. If I put these phones side by side, you can see how much of the difference that is as far as sizing. And you can see at the top, the camera part does change. The front facing does change. And this, to me, they almost feel like they're the same weight. This one just feels a little heavier. As you can see, the difference in the back. Again, this is a 12 and this is the 15 Pro Max. The one that I'm recording on is my 13. So, yeah. So, if you know, you know. But, again, I'm probably will give y'all a better update during the week of how this phone is, but I don't think it's really going to be too much to tell because again, Apple, they kind of make their phones the same at this point. They change a few things, but I don't think nothing really major changes with these phones. So yeah, if you guys want to know anything else about this phone or if you have any questions about it, just hit me up in the comments and ask me whatever you want. I'll be more than happy to answer the questions for you. Verizon does have a promotion going on right now. You can do like trade-ins and you actually will get, I think like from what they told me, like $850 off. So the price for the phone will go down. So you might want to check that out. I'm not sponsored in any way in this video. I just wanted to give you guys my take on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm out. See ya. Bye.